Hello everyone, I'm Rose here from Korean class. Today we are gonna study the last beginning consonant, hit. Hit. So we are writing 1, 2, 3. This is hit. Its pronunciation is he, it. And we learned 기역, 니은, 디귿, 리을, 미음, 비읍, 시옷, 이응, 지읒, 치읒, 가나, 다라, 마, 바사, 아자, 차, 키읔, 티읒, 가타, 가나, 다라, 마, 바사, 아자, 차, 가타, 피읍. And last one is hit. Hit. Okay? So we have, in Korean, we have just these consonants. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 14. We have just 14 consonant. Okay? And then let's have a look this complete letter. So here plus R is H. Here plus R is, this is ha. Ha. We're writing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 하. 하. 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. 하. 하. Next one. 히읗. H plus 야. 야 is Y-A. So this is 혀. 혀. Writing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 혀. 혀. 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯. 혀. 혀. Next one. 히읗. H plus O. O is E-O. So this is 허. 허. Writing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 허. 허. 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. 허. 허. Next one. 히읗 is H plus 여 is Y-E-O. So this is 혀. 혀. We're writing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 혀. 혀. One more time. 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯. 혀. 혀. Then let's have a look picture below. Then first one. So this is same letter. Here H plus R. So this is ha. And we learned 미음 before. M plus R is A. So this is 마. 하마. 하마 is hippo. Hippo in Korean is 하마. 하마. It's very cute. 하마. And last one, same letter. Here, H plus 여 is. So this is 혀. 혀. 혀 is tongue. Tongue in Korean, this is tongue. In Korean is 혀. 혀. And we learned eyes is 눈. 눈, eyes. And nose is 코. 코. Nose is 코. And mouth is 입. Okay. So that's it for me today. Next time we're gonna study the last of Hangul with consonant hit. Then, thank you for watching my video. See you later, guys. 다음에 봐요. 뿅.